Hello, Christina, again from AceVacuums. Today, I'm going to talk about the secret life of dust, what really happens inside your central vacuum. Ever wondered where all the dust, pet dander, and microscopic nasties really go when you vacuum? Prepare to be amazed and maybe a little grossed out as we reveal the hidden world inside your central vacuum system. In this eye-opening video, we take you on a captivating journey behind the walls of your home to uncover the astonishing amount of grime your central vacuum system removes from your living spaces day after day. You'll not only see what you're truly breathing in, but also witness the incredibly satisfying process of how a central vacuum powerfully pulls all these particles away, trapping them securely outside your main living areas for good. This isn't just about cleaning your floors. It's about fundamentally improving your indoor air quality and creating a healthier home environment for your family in Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. 2. Uncovering the secrets of your central vacuum. Well, what invisible threats are lurking in my home's air? Your home's air can be filled with microscopic particles like dust mites, pet dander, pollen, mold spores, and various allergens. Our video shows you what these look like up close and why they're a problem for your family's health and indoor air quality. How does a central vacuum differ from a regular portable vacuum in handling dust? Unlike portable vacuums that often recirculate fine dust and allergens back into your living space through their exhaust, a central vacuum system vents all collected debris and exhausted air directly outside your home. This ensures that pollutants are completely removed, leading to significantly cleaner indoor air. What makes the canister reveal so satisfying in this video? The canister reveal is the visual payoff. It dramatically shows the sheer volume of dirt, dust, and debris that has been efficiently captured and removed from your home, highlighting the powerful, deep cleaning only a central vacuum can provide. It's truly a testament to its effectiveness. Is a central vacuum system really better for allergies and asthma? Absolutely. By removing allergens and fine particulate matter from your living environment, central vacuum systems are highly recommended by allergists and health professionals. They help reduce triggers for allergy and asthma sufferers, allowing your family to breathe easier. Sir, can AceVacuums help me get a central vacuum or service my existing one in DC, Maryland, or VA? Yes, AceVacuums is your premier authorized central vacuum dealer and service expert across Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia. Our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech team offers sales, professional central vacuum installation for both new and existing homes, and expert central vacuum repair for all major brands like MD, Central Vacuum, Newtone, Beam, VacuFlow, Riccar, and more. We use only genuine central vacuum parts for lasting quality. What kind of maintenance does a central vacuum system require? Central vacuum systems are remarkably low maintenance. Typically, you'll need to empty the dirt canister or change the filter bag a few times a year, depending on usage. Occasional checks for clogs in the hose are also recommended. For deeper maintenance or any issues, our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Techs are always available. Is central vacuum installation disruptive in an existing home? So, our AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech team are experts at discreet and efficient installations, even in existing homes. We minimize disruption and ensure a clean process, seamlessly integrating the system behind your walls. You'll be surprised how quickly and cleanly it can be done. What are the long-term benefits of investing in a central vacuum system? Beyond immediate cleanliness, central vacuums offer long-term benefits like increased home value, significant improvement in indoor air quality, reduced allergy symptoms, quiet operation, and exceptional durability, often lasting for decades with proper care from an AceVacuums Central Vacuum Repair Tech. Ready to transform your home's air quality and cleaning routine? AceVacuums is your trusted partner for sales, installation, and expert central vacuum repair across Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia.